Can you really find someone's location using just a phone number? Taking a complete look at this Android application from entering the phone number to viewing the final live location results on the map. As soon as the app launches, the app initializes its secure network protocols and prepares the services required for the tracking process. After a few seconds, an important notice screen appears. To proceed, simply accept the terms of use and privacy policy and tap on I understand and continue. Next, we arrive at the phone number entry page. Here, select the country code of the target device, and then enter the phone number you want to locate. Once the number has been entered, tap the Continue button to move to the next stage. Before starting the search, the application requests several permissions. Grant the required permissions to continue. Once all required permissions have been granted, the app first attempts to connect to satellite services, followed by requesting network data required for location calculations. Next, it starts communicating with the target device and then proceeds with calculating the estimated position. Now we're inside the main configuration section. Under the General tab, should enable GPS triangulation, real-time movement detection, and device status detection for retrieving connection information. Further down, the app provides support for multiple satellite navigation systems. After selecting the desired options, tap Next. Moving over to the Advanced section, we can fine-tune the tracking parameters. Location accuracy can be adjusted depending on the required precision level. The update interval determines how frequently the app refreshes location data. The scan type controls how devices are identified during the search process. Below, enable the application can automatically select the best available satellite connection. Once everything is configured, tap Start Search. The app will now begin processing. In the background, several operations are performed, including checking permissions, verifying GPS availability, connecting to satellite services, analyzing network information, acquiring signal strength, and retrieving coordinate data. During the search process, you'll notice different stages being completed one by one. First, the app connects to satellite services. Next, it requests network information, then it begins communicating with the target device. After that, the application calculates the position and finally retrieves GPS coordinates. Once the search is completed, the application displays the results on an interactive map. At the top, the target phone number is shown with a live status indicator. The map displays the detected route, while the information panel below provides live location details along with GPS accuracy information. From here, users can monitor the position in real time and view updated coordinates directly on the map interface. And that's a complete walkthrough of this Android application and all of its available features.